If you don't understand support and resistance, you're basically trading blind. These levels control where price stops, reverses, or explodes. The good news? This is one of the simplest concepts in technical analysis, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Support is a level where price stops falling and starts bouncing back up, because buyers step in again and again. Resistance is the opposite, a level where price struggles to go higher and gets pushed down by sellers. Think of support like a floor and resistance like a ceiling. Now here's where things get interesting. Sometimes price breaks these levels, and that's called a breakout. But not all breakouts are real. Some moves fail and trap traders on the wrong side. Here's the concept that changes everything. When resistance breaks, it often becomes support. And when support breaks, it can turn into resistance. Master this, and you'll start seeing the market differently. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to draw these levels like a pro.